In this section, we are going to learn about port security. Port security is used to securing interface in switch. We are going to learn with an example case. Let's just start. Let's import one switch. We are going to use 2960. Next, let's import some server. Let's say 3 server. And then for testing, let's also import one PC. Now let's connecting all server and PC to the switch. Okay, done. Let's change the name of the server. This is server 1. This is server 2. And this is server 3. Here we can see that server 1 is connected to fast Ethernet 0/1. Server 2 is connected to fast Ethernet 0/2. And server 3 is connected to fast Ethernet 0/3. So here we know that fast Ethernet 0/1 until fast Ethernet 0/3 is used for server. For example, someday there is a hacker go to data center. So let's say this computer is hacker. The hacker unplug the cable from server 1 and then connecting the cable to their computer. Here, let's unplug the cable from the server and then connect the cable to hacker PC. In this case, switch should block fast Ethernet 0/1. So the hacker cannot send packet to anywhere. To block fast Ethernet 0/1, if there is an illegal computer connected to it like this, we will need to configure port security on the switch. Okay, so that is the concept of port security. In the next video, we are going to practice about port security. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.